limited edition one with the silver wheels and the silver badge.
I don't think you can beat a classic Land Rover in these colours, you know. Got to have a proper look after something like that, haven't you?
These are what your dad would have driven.
I've always wanted one of them. Is it last engine in any? Yeah, last engine.
Of the farm. These are quite often used even in the modern farms today as scraper tractors. Now it is a little bit of a sad face to see them used as a scraper tractor, and that basically... About 780 that's coming through its working mode, still very popular as scraper tractors. Bit of a sad day though, because all of these scraper tractors out of the beautiful version and all that all going absolutely everywhere. Thank you for mentioning it. Now we're certainly going back a few years now. So this is the VAK1A. It's only made for 1 year with this model of tractor, and this is sort of the second, the one after the original David Brown, the VAK1. So this tractor's still a working tractor. In there it's got a 4-cylinder, 3.3 litre diesel engine, generating around 56 horsepower. This owner's had it for about 14 years. It's still in its working clothes. So this is a Cropmaster, 1952 this one. As you can see, it's got quite an interesting seating arrangement. This one's designed so 2 people can go on this tractor. One's designed so that it can be used in the field and also to go to the market, take the part of the wife along with them. To get a petrol engine running at the side of the road. A diesel engine, if that's stopped at the side of the road, it's usually made work. However, they are renowned for being more reliable. Let's find out a bit more about the 770. One of them was a forklift not built by David Brown himself, built by another company called Sanderson, who I believe still make forklifts to this day. That was designed so that you could reverse up to something, lift it up, transport it about the place. It really did make the tractor a universal piece of equipment. It didn't need a separate forklift. Now, I've tried operating a forklift in a farm environment.
Too many.
Not what's t-shirt on the 8th day that God created the land over.
Yeah, I hate it when you're like, follow it and you try and
You have seen him.
Right, I'll have to put myself on the charge mode when I'm looking
Maybe it's in it to look.
I'm going to do it under this stairs.
Are those other stairs that way then?